Lalaki ang ulo sa sasabihin ko. Alam mo ba mas okay ka kaysa dun sa dati ko? Magkasama ka, kailan lang ba? kanina sinabi sa akin ni Sandara, ang ganda ng energy, ang laki ng stage, ang daming tao. Sabi niya, magiging masaya ka. Ayun, totoo pala siya. Sobrang saya ko ngayon dahil sa inyo. Nagustuhan mo ba yung stage ni Sandara kanina? Sige, kanina, K-pop concert. And from now on, P-pop concert na tayo. Gusto niyo ba yan? Kasi gusto ko mapakita na pwede ako sa K-pop, pwede rin ako sa P-pop. At marami rin akong magagandang songs na Tagalog. Ay! Tada! Nagustuhan niyo ba yung suot ko? Yes, my outfit is tribute to Mindanao costume and made by Pinoy designer na si Neric Beltran. Maraming salamat po sa magandang outfit ko ngayon. Bagay na bagay sa Sultan Kudarat. Grabe. And for my next song, I want to dedicate this song to all my fans, darlings, blackjacks, and everyone here who's supporting me tonight. This is for you.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes and I keep in your heart, how I feel so much more secure. You would let me close my eyes so I can see you through and through. You are sweet and a lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, and now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I have found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your, maybe just a smile in your heart. You brighten my day. You're coming to me. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart.
Thank you. Itong song na ito ay nasa pinaka-first album ko sa Pilipinas noong 2004. Ilang taon na kayo noong 2004? Hindi pa kayo pinanganak? 3 years old. Pero kilala mo pa ako. Grabe naman. masaya-saya ako kasi first time ko kinakanta yung mga Tagalog songs ko, OPM songs ko, after nung umalis ako sa Pilipinas. So, naghintay talaga ako ng chance para kumanta ng mga songs ko. At sobrang papasalamat ako sa inyo at kay Golf Packs for having me here tonight, for the opportunity, for this beautiful memory. Hindi ko ito makakalimutan. Grabe. And for my song, maraming salamat. Itong next song ko, isa rin to sa song sa In or Out album. If you know the song, please sing with me.
Sabi ko na nga ba, why mayroong pag-ibig na liit? Kasi tuwing magtatama ang ating paningin, umiiwas ako, di makatagal, at ika'y nauutal. Di ba tatayan na nagmamahal? Kung alam mo nga lang, na kahit tagay na kitang pangarap, sabi ko sa puso ko, ikaw lang talaga ang nais na makasama, ngayon at kailan pa man. Kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang sana. Kung alam mo lang na kahit tagal ko nang naghihintay upang malaman mo kung gaano ko ikaw kamahal, tanging buhay ko'y ibibigay sa'yo, sinta. Sabi ko na nga ba, iba pag nagmahal. Akala ko nung una, malabo ang mga bagay sa atin. Di ko na ko'y mahal mo rin, dahil kung kani-kanino ko pa nalalaman ang damdamin mo sa akin. Ang naghihintay upang malaman mo kung gaano ko ikaw kamahal, tanging buhay ko'y ibibigay sa'yo, sinta. Sabi ko na nga ba, iba pag nagmahal. Kung alam na kahit tagal ka naghihintay upang malaman mo kung gaano ko ikaw kamahal, tanging buhay ko'y ibibigay sa'yo, sinta. Sabi ko na nga ba, iba pag nagmahal.
Salamat. Sige, babalik ako dyan. Dadalhin ko to sa main stage. Ay, meron din pala dyan. Sorry. Thank you. Alam niyo ba yung kanta na sabi ko na nga ba? Alam niyo ba? Ay, alam niyo talaga. So, ginawa kong 2025 version para mas mature ng konti. Ay, before singing my next song, Can I get my sarong? Tadan! Ito na. Para complete na ang costume ko. Thank you! And my next song is also very special to me. Naalala niyo ba yung movie namin ni Hero Angeles noong 2005? Gusto ko kakantayin yung theme song namin dyan. This song was originally sung by Sarah Geronimo. Di ba pumunta rin siya dito? Napanood ko rin yung stage niya. Ang galing! I love Sarah. And tonight, I want to sing it in my version of. So, I hope you guys like it.
Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I know for certain I'm feeling right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way. Tell me, what does one say to one who makes me feel this way? Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I am not sure of this feeling somehow. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? Seem to say my words so you'll hear. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I love the feeling it's giving me now. A voice inside me is guiding me now. It's telling me now to take your hand and say, this is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. Oh love, this is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again. This is the first time. This is the first time. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. I love you.
Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Grabe, sobrang nakakatabas puso na nandito ako ngayon sa Surtat Kudarat at kumakanta ako ng mga OPM songs sa harap ninyo. Maraming salamat talaga once again. Thank you so much for having me here. And maraming salamat din sa mga staff, mga directors, at kayo na lahat na pumunta dito, kahit mainit, kahit umuulan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ay, meron pala akong gift sa inyo. Kadan, ito yung CD ko from Korea. Tatlong lang meron kasi I love you. So, kanino ko to bibigay? Sana pala nagdala ko ng 1 million copies ng CDs ko. Oh, I've been a fan since I was 4. Hello. Oh, Blackjack! Last one. Oh, parang kalimutan. Thank you so much. Sorry talaga, tatlo lang dinala ko. Sana next time, kung invite niyo ako, magdadala ako ng 1 million, meron ba? Hindi ko ma-promise, pero gusto ko talaga bumalik dito. Invite niyo pa ba ulit ako? Thank you. I'm so happy to be a part of Kalimutan Festival 2025. At alam ko, ako yung finale ng festival nito, di ba? Madamo, gid nga, salamat. Dagang salamat sa inyong lahat! Ako, ito yung first time ko yata na nag-perform ako sa malaking festival dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi usually, meron ako syempre fan-made sa mga brands. Pero mga konti, 3 songs na kinakanta ko, 30 minutes lang nagpo-perform ako. Pero ngayon, 1 hour ang binigay sa akin. So, maraming salamat and I got the chance to sing all my songs. Ayoko umuwi. Paano yan? Gusto ko talaga bumalik. And I have my last 2 songs left for tonight. Selfie, sige. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3. Sobrang na-touch po ako sa inyo. Alam niyo naman, dito ako lumaki sa Pilipinas at kayo ang bumoto sa akin noong Star Circle Quest, di ba? Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon at naging isang Sandara Park. So, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Babalik po ako. So, till next time, be happy, always be healthy. And sana mapanood niyo ako lagi and supportan niyo ako. Maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat! And my next song is for you guys.
샤람따라 쓴다라 샤람따라 쓴다라 샤람따라 쓴다라 아
sa